Hi, I'm Zoe from Winchester Caravans, and today I'm going to take you through how to use the E&P hydraulic caravan levelling system. The E&P system consists of 2 electric legs at the front of the caravan, 2 electric legs at the back of the caravan. These level the caravan front to back. There are also 2 rams which are in the centre of the caravan, and these level the caravan side to side. They also take a little bit of pressure off your tyres when they are down. Before you activate the system, make sure that your jockey wheel is as low as you can get it so that the caravan is pointing nose downwards. Next, take your tablet and tap the screen to turn it on. On the screen, you will find 2 options, manual or automatic. The manual option will show you the 4 sections, front and back legs, left and right rams, and you can put these down individually if you want to by pressing the blue button. To go back to the home page, press home. You also have an automatic option here. If you press this one, you'll see a picture of your caravan. At the top here, these 2 front squares are the front legs. The centre circles are the rams in the centre, and the back squares are the back legs. In the middle you will see what looks a bit like a compass. When the van is levelling, you will see that this changes more into a spirit level, so you can see how it is getting on. At the bottom there are 2 buttons, auto with a down arrow and then the up arrow. To put the legs down automatically, it will do them all together. You press the auto down, and to put them up, you press the up arrow. While using the tablet, do keep an eye on the battery icon at the top here. This will tell you how charged the tablet is. If you need to charge it, simply pop it back in the caravan in the holder. So we'll put the legs down now. So if I press the automatic button, you will hear the caravan starts to make noise. And currently the centre ram is going down. Here you can see the red icons are the legs and rams, and the yellow one is the one that is working currently. So the centre ram is going down. There's a spirit level in the centre to show you how it is levelling. So when it adjusts each individual leg or ram, it will eventually line up in the centre, so you know the van is level. If you need to stop the process at any point, just press the stop button at the bottom. To retract all the legs and rams automatically, push the up arrow on the left, and the system will start to retract. If you have an issue with your system and you need to retract all the legs at once, there is an emergency override button which can normally be found underneath your front bench in the caravan. This red button here is the said button. If you push it in and hold it down, it will make a noise. The legs will retract all at once. You need to hold it down until the system stops beeping. So that was a demonstration of the E&P self-levelling system for the caravan. This is the full system. They also offer a compact system as well. If you would like any more information about having these systems fitted to your caravan, then please contact a member of the team. We're happy to help arrange this for you.